Hey, this is Connie Matthews and welcome to Connie Matthews TV, episode 003. I absolutely love bringing these training sessions to you, but what are you going to get out of today's training? So let me ask you a few questions. So, have you ever wondered how to create curiosity with ease through your social media posting? And what about, have you ever considered what the 3 C's are in content marketing? And have you ever got stuck trying to start a post? So what about things like opening statements to get you started, transitional phrases, but more importantly, call to action ideas? They're the things that we're going to cover off today in today's training. My name is Connie Matthews and I help entrepreneurs and network marketers build the right framework and business that can give back 99% of their day. What would you do with that? Imagine. Every single week when I bring these trainings to you, I like to equip you with a downloadable freebie with a lot of actionable steps that you can implement into your business. And today's freebie that comes along with our training is called Create Curiosity with Ease, 82 Ways to Start Conversations and Posts, Become the Expert in Minutes, and Gain Your Prospects' Interest Without Losing Your Marbles. Okay, so what are the 2 rules that I love to abide by and I would love to encourage you to actually take this on board? And they are, don't talk about your company and don't talk about your product. Now you're probably sitting there going, well, how am I going to sell anything? Well, can I tell you, the second that you let everybody know the company that you're with or the product that you work with, you will not have curiosity at any given time. And the strange thing is about this is when your company does actually have a sale and they want you to create curiosity posts, how on earth can you do that when everybody already knows what it is that you sell and who the company is that you do represent? By the way, if you are enjoying all these training sessions that I deliver every single week, I want you to click that subscribe button so that you are notified when I deliver more training sessions for you. Also, to grab that freebie, go to conniematthews.com.au/003. Once you're there, you'll find a great big huge green button. So just click that and you'll be able to download the freebie that comes along with this training session. All right, so let's get back on track. Now, when you actually start with your network marketing business, often you're actually told to get out there and start promoting your company and your product. Now, I want you to think about this. The person that's actually sharing that information with you more than likely has a lot of influence because they have been around a fairly long time. You have just started, so you don't actually have that influence yet. Okay, so what does influence actually look like? Let's have a think about this one. Let's just say you're walking down the street, you're texting, and you look up, and you are standing right next to Lady Gaga. So you gush, and she says hello, and you say hello back. And if she said jump, you would probably go, how high, because I'm going to do it. That's because she's got influence. Let's reverse that. So let's just say you're texting and you're walking down the street and you look up and you're standing next to Lady Gaga and you're going to say hello. She'll more than likely say hello. Chances are though, she's probably going to keep walking. The thing here is she's got influence and you don't. So the person with influence is going to be the one that's going to gain a lot more traction. Our role when we start network marketing is to gain that influence. And we're going to do that through marketing you. You are the product and you are the one that is going to be unique, and we want to promote you in this instance. So how do we actually do that? I want you to think, what I could do is go back to conniematthews.com.au/episode 001, and I've got quite a few tips in there for you that will really help you get started. I've got algorithm tips, marketing tips, social media tips, the elevator pitch, and of course my favorite engagement tip as well. So that really is something that will help you get started. Another thing that you might want to do or consider doing as soon as possible is you can create a website. And a website really is where all your content is actually housed. And social media is the vehicle that you use to promote the content that's actually on your website. Now, I'm just giving you a few things to think about because I know that when we're starting, we want to keep it simple. So the tips on conniematthews.com.au/episode 11 will actually help you get started. And the website really is something that you can work towards. So don't get hung up on that. Let's actually focus on creating influence. Now, what are the 3 C's in social media marketing? We have content, we have connection, and conversation. When it comes to content, think about things that you can actually share with your community. And I use a formula called F.O.R.M. Post around family, occupation, recreation, and motivation. And I like to mix those all up during the course of the week. And they are things that you can create the connection with your audience. And of course, we can never ever forget conversations. Now, my friend, it's always important to remember that all business is conversation. It does not matter if you are in retail, if you are actually in corporate, or a network marketer. Without conversing with your community, how are you going to know what you could provide as a solution for them? Now, it's a real thing too that when we sit in front of our laptop, because I've been there, I know what it's like, we want to create a post and we get writer's block. If you go over to my blog, conniematthews.com.au/003, I do have for you 82 ways to start conversations and create posts. As always, there's a lot more information over at my blog, so take your time to go over there and have a good read through. So, question of the week. This week I've had quite a few people ask me, what is the app that I'm using to create these videos? Well, I have to tell you, if you are a Microsoft user, this is the best program that I've come across. It's called Clipchamp. It's amazing. It makes creating these videos seamless. Now, it might look seamless to you. Just let me add something to the end of this. I probably should start doing bloopers because I have quite a few of them. Never mind. For now, I wanted to say thank you so much for popping by and watching Connie Matthews TV. I know you got a ton of value from the YouTube video and more from the blog. So feel free to share this content with any of your entrepreneurial friends. I do want to stay connected with you, so you can find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and of course you can email me. I'll put all of those into the show notes. But for now, this is Connie Matthews signing out, and we'll catch you next week. Have a great day.